Okay, we're lighting a wolf pack.
What's any of them?
I can't take her serious.
It's just a little wolf pack.
In a beer bottle?
Sam Adams light.
Hey, I don't know who you drank that.
Right there.
Turn off the light so it'll...
No, we're gonna... Well,
you ready?
okay, whatever. No, I'm not gonna be able to see it.
Yeah, you will.
Or retard. Just turn it on.
No, it'll be okay.
Light
You'll
it.
just see a spark. And you'll see the sparks on it.
Echo. Oh my gosh. Let me get it started. Come on. Here is the thing. Turn the thing. Yeah, I'm not going.
Hey, that sounds... It's just not cooperating also. She doesn't appreciate it. Well, just like...
Hang on to it, please. This is what happens when you live in Minnesota. Fail block.
Almost. It's just huddled here. Damn it, I'm cupping the air with the camera.
There it goes.
There it goes. Oh my god. Oh, shit. Get in the house.
Those go pretty fast, don't they?
How many do you have?
Like 10.